Is Tommy ugly or handsome?
Ugly.
Tommy ugly or handsome? He was 27 here.
27 there.
Yeah, and me, I was 2 years old. Hala, ang taas, hala, ang taas.
Good morning, Philippines!
It's just the three of us all the time.
Yeah.
Do you like your piña colada? You almost...
Very good.
Look at it, she's really fast.
It's good because otherwise it melts down.
I think I haven't had it in years.
Huh? Not yours.
I made it here.
Uh-huh.
When it's really hot. What? What do you want?
Poor Roxy.
You freaking kidding? She's not one of those dogs that has as good as her.
Roxy, you will be freaking out later. There's a lot of fireworks later. Mom. She said you're ignoring her.
Yeah.
I didn't know you.
Look, she's mad.
Oh, poor baby.
Oh well. What? What do you want?
Is she jealous?
Yeah. Oh, sneezies. Sneezies.
Look at that. She's so jealous when she do that. She make too much barky.
Hey, little monkey. I walk in and I start cutting the watermelon. They're all staring at me like, look at us.
No, down,
I got
down.
2 cats, 2 dogs.
Down.
Yeah. Every time you this hour 5 o'clock, and 5 o'clock, and if you're in the kitchen, they're all like in your behind you.
She went for water.
Okay.
A couple of lips. And then backed away from it like a bitter.
Maybe it's really
Nice.
cold.
Alright, I'm gonna make another picture for us because somebody's not drinking hers.
Come here.
Somebody's not drinking hers. Why?
Make the thumbnails. Look at that.
Drink your pina colada. That'd be a good thumbnail.
Huh?
Drink your pina colada in the thumbnail. Say hello to the audience. Hello, audience. What?
He's so handsome, Mom, right?
Yeah.
He's so handsome, right?
You're not.
He is.
Hey.
You're so handsome. Look, Mom said you're so handsome.
Drink. You're gonna get your things gonna get warm.
Mom.
No, it's not good when it gets on frozen.
Yeah. Is Tommy ugly or handsome?
Ugly.
Tommy ugly or handsome?
Ugly.
Tommy is handsome.
Ugly.
Yeah.
He's my son.
He's a good-looking guy. Good-looking. I saw a video, Mom, of Tommy and Louie and Isabel at where when was that?
1986.
1986.
Oh my God.
Joe Mongoya posted online.
Ah,
You remember Joe always carried a camera with him everywhere, right? Remember?
yeah.
So he posted a video online of Jersey Shore, 1986. Me, Louie, Maria, Angela, him, Isabel.
Tommy was so young.
Kristen.
And Kristen then
Kristen was
also.
a tot. Kristen was 2.
Oh my God. It was a long time ago.
That's everybody, your kids over there, okay?
Everybody what?
That's Louie.
Oh my God.
Louie and Tommy.
Oh my.
They're so young.
Yeah, I know.
Isabel.
Yeah.
Tommy was 27 here.
You had what?
He was 27 here.
27 there.
Yeah, and me, I was 2 years old.
Louis was 28.
Louis is 28.
Oh my God.
You said hot dog doesn't need to be cooked, right?
It's already cooked, right?
Okay, so why are you worried?
Not worried. I like them cooked away. Why would you bother going on grill?
It's really hot, guys. Tommy doesn't like this weather. He hates it. I told you he won't survive in the Philippines, but I told him that he's not going out. He stay in the house and the car.
Okay.
Hun, if you go to the mall, you ride a car. The mall is really cold. Ay, meron akong narinig. Roxy andun ay.
Big girl. What you doing, big girl? What are you washing with your tail? You washing the grass? Yeah, you tell. Hey, Roxy girl. Oh, oh,
Hello. 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 Kalupit na to si Roxy. We're going to have dinner now. Ilalabas ko lang tong mga niluluto ko na. Si Tammy almost done na sa mga barbecue niya. And I think yun lang yung kakainin namin. Did you kill the grill, Han? Shut it off. Thank you. Did you tell her where? Which? Okay, kain lang kami, guys. Burger. Barbecue tayo. Ito yung dinner namin. I'll get a bun, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Ito siya, guys. Tommy's burger. And hot dogs. I'll get you ketchup, okay?
Okay.
We're so tired, guys. We are going to bed early. But there is fireworks tonight, Mom.
Oh, tonight they haven't started yet.
Not yet.
They'll wake us up.
Here. Yeah, pagod ako. Pagod si BIYENAN. Mostly pagod si Tammy kasi ako hindi naman reasonable na pagod ako kasi pagod ako pero sleepy. Pero wala akong rason para mag-ano-anok. So si BIYENAN tapos sa bathroom and then pagod siya, guys. Natutulog siyang kumain. As in, naintindihan ko yun kasi kapag after getting out from dialysis kasi yung katawan mo sobrang puyat kasi kinunan ka ng maraming tubig. So yun siya. And ako naman dahil maagang ganun. Basta pagod. Ay, ewan ko na lang. Naglilinis kasi ako this morning. Akala ko mabisita. Wala. Si Tammy pagod na pagod kasi kasama niya yung sister at saka yung nephew niya sa Denver. Hindi siya makatulog sa kwarto kasi sama-sama sila. Palagi siyang nasa labas na nigarilyo. Ito talagang si Tammy, no, yung sigarilyo talaga hindi maano. But anyway, so andito ako sa taas. Hi guys, I'm the only one awake right now. Manghilamos lang ako mamaya na. Si BIYENAN tulog na. Hindi pa. Nag-change pa siya ng... Tinulungan ko lang siyang mag-suot ng pajama na hirapan. Doon nakahiga na siya. Pagod na pagod. Ito tayo. May mga lights. Wala mang fireworks pa. Hindi pa sila wala, dami. Narinig ninyo yun, guys. Nagulat ako, guys, eh. Bahay namin, guys. Ang dami, uy. Grabe. Mahal daw yung gasto nila, guys. Malaki daw yung gasto nila dito. Malaki. Grabe. Kahit saan, guys, grabe yung mga paputok. Hala, hala, ang taas, hala, ang taas. Hala, grabe. Shit. Grabe ang taas, oh. Hala. Hala, hala, ang taas. Grabe. Hala, ang taas, grabe. Hala, ang taas. Hala, grabe. Ala, ang ganda. Because she is afraid. Are you afraid? Oh, there's a lot of fireworks. Do you want to go to the neighbor? Of course, Han, she is nervous. She's always like, look at her. Don't. You're okay, you're okay. The biggest one over there last year, they have the nice end of the show. Yeah, they have the best finale. I have to go upstairs and look at it. Guys, our air conditioning doesn't work. My God. Now suddenly it's not. Why is that? I think the fireworks is done, guys. I think the one that I saw, the highest one, and it's like it's the finale. But yeah, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy birthday, America. Anyway, good night, guys. Good night. See you tomorrow. Oh my God, Tom is going to the basement, he says, just to check. He's not going to work to do that. It's 10 o'clock already. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.